talk to me. Ooh, 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 Lord, talk to me. Alone in this room, it's just me and you. I feel so lost, and I don't know what to do. Now, what if I choose the wrong things to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you, so I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems so cloudy. Got me until I'm sure I open up my heart. My hopes and dreams are fading fast, and I'm all burned out, and I don't think my strength's gonna last. So I'm crying out to you, Lord. I know you're the only one who is able to pull me through. That's why I got to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems so cloudy. Got me until I am sure I open up my heart. Ooh, yeah. So show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes over and over again. And I will be done, and I'll be the one to show that it's carried out. And indeed, I don't have any doubts. That's why I got to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems so cloudy. Got me until I am sure I open up my